દીપિકા ઇઝ બેક ઇન બોલિવૂડ અને રિસેન્ટલી જ તે જોવા મળી એક ઇવેન્ટમાં જેમાં તે લાગી રહી હતી બેહદ ખૂબસૂરત. દીપિકાની ખૂબસૂરતી બસ દેખને લાયક થી. ત્યારે જોઈએ દીપિકાએ શું કહ્યું આ ઇવેન્ટમાં.
I think first of all it begins with self, and I think it's important to feel confident in whatever you wear and whatever you do. And I think for me the character that I played, Naina Talwar, I think was a classic example of that. And I got so many letters and emails from little girls, from young girls, from women who kind of said thank you for doing that movie and thank you for making us feel the way we felt. And so I think it stems from the way you feel about yourself. I don't think there's anything to be ashamed of or embarrassed about. If anything, it's the person who thinks it's uncool who's actually uncool. So, and then of course you have, is it perspective or is it clarity of vision? I think it's a bit of both, honestly. I think it's important to have that sense of clarity in your mind. It's important to have that clarity of vision, whether it's when you're a 2-year-old girl or whether it's when you're 20 years old. And some people have it, some people don't. And I think it's totally fine. I think even if you don't, it's okay because you will discover that at some point along the journey. And I also feel like a lot of life is life. That's one of the biggest perks, if I may say, of endorsing this brand, the fact that we go to some amazing locations. So as it is, you have a long-standing relationship with a brand. And for me, it's important. For me, it's important to develop these relationships over a period of time. The brand becomes like family after a while, and then you have amazing products. And then to make things even better, you go to these amazing locations that are an extension of me, that are an extension of the amazing range. Well, it doesn't look like I'm going to have any feature film release this year, but I can definitely guarantee you that 2017 is going to be fantastic. And it's going to start with a bang. First of all, so the movie, I don't know if I'm supposed to say, it releases on the 20th of January as of now. And we obviously have amazing plans because I think everything we do today is global. I'm completely clueless about all of this. I'm completely clueless. And it's interesting, a lot of times, most often, in fact, I choose not to clarify a lot of the things that are said, and I'm going to allow for it to be that way. It's interesting how, I've been seeing how, like, one story starts and then, which is completely untrue, and then there's a version of that which is also untrue. So it's interesting. I like watching it. I like to see how the course that it takes. It's very amusing. I have to say it's extremely amusing. But it is what it is.